Have you ever wondered why that persistent ringing in your ears just never goes away? Mainstream medicine tells you it's permanent ear damage and that you simply have to live with it. But what if I told you that groundbreaking research from Georgetown University proves they're looking at the wrong organ? The truth is, tinnitus isn't just in your ears. It's a neural glitch. This study reveals that the ringing is actually a maladaptive repair process within your brain. Your brain is attempting to compensate for missing auditory frequencies, but it's failing to complete the loop. It creates a phantom noise, a failed repair manual, that stays stuck on repeat. As you can see in this neural map, specific cortical hubs become hyperactive, failing to cancel out the internal noise. But here's the breakthrough. Because it's a brain issue, just an ear issue, it can potentially be rebooted through neuroplasticity. At the Holistic State Research Hub, we've mapped out the 2026 protocols for neural recovery using targeted botanical compounds. Stop managing the noise and start understanding the signal. Click the link in the description to read the full research breakdown. Silence might be closer than you think.